Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about assignment task. The definition is assignment task is used to assign value to user-defined workflow variable. So let's go to workflow. So hereafter click on workflow and add it. So there is one tab, variable tab is there. So at here you can declare variable. So by clicking this symbol, you can add a new variable to this table, or you can cut the variable. If you click this one, then that will copy a row from this table, and by clicking this one, that you can paste. So first is I have to uh, give the meaningful name at your first session underscore count. So this one is a variable name and data type is integer. So there is one option is there persistent. So the definition of persistent is store any value in buffer if you select persistent. So if you wanna add more variable, so click on there, add your, give add your name. I'm going to display mapping name. So this should be a string type. So I used data type as a in a string, and hereafter I wanna display session name. So this should be also a string type. So first I'm going to test three variable. After that I will add more. So first this one is only persistent, and I did not click into checkbox. So the two rest of two variable is not persistent. Apply. Okay. So first way to create assignment task, directly you can click at the, so this is uh, you can or another way, if you wanna create assignment task, so go to task, create, and select the task type to create. So at there is also assignment task, or you can give any name. So two ways to create assignment task. So the simple way, back click at here and create assignment task. So here after go to expression, and by clicking this button you can add a new expression at here. So I have declared three workflow variable. So first one is session counter, and if you click, second is mapping, and third part is session. So at here in expression, so operator first is operator, only equal operator is there. In a expression you can whatever you wanna. You can just write it there. So give meaningful calculation right here. If session counter equal to 3, then that will display 1, or else part that will increase by 1. If session counter first if the match value is 3, then that will display 1, or if there is no any value, so 0 plus 1 that will display 1. Initially that will if this condition did not match. So validate. Right here I used integer type of data type so that I write this one. So for the rest of two user defined variable, you have to give a string type. So single colon is there. So our mapping first is mapping. So our mapping is sp underscore test. Sp underscore test. So this is our mapping. So validate that one. And our session is there's two session is there, str test and sp test. Str underscore test and sp test. So now validate that one. It's okay. So here after we have to use link task. So this is our first session, and so here after if we start workflow, so there is no any value loaded at the assignment worker variable. So if control comes to this point assignment variable, so that will load all workflow variable given at here to this session. So now refresh that one or save and start the task, and let's see. So first session is in running state, that succeeded. Now assignment task is succeeded, and that session. So first I am going to check that session. So look at there is no any value in the mapping session, nothing is in there. So the assignment task that the value is loaded into the next session. So right here, double M mapping. So our mapping is SP test. Whatever you have given out there, so mapping is returned there. So next is uh, workflow. Not this is a session 4. So session is, and there is two session. I have given the name str test 2, test and sp test. So next is session counter. About session counter, in assignment task, first thing is that this condition is where, so that this is written at here. This one is 0, 0 not equal to 3. That right, so that will control will go to at here 0 plus 1, that will return 1. So if you again start the task, then session count getting changed. Let's say so first session succeeded, assignment task succeeded. Now last session also succeeded. So get session log. So look at the session counter this time 2. Now that next time the session count increased by 1. So let's start again. So let's check get session log, and here look at the user right here. This is the 3 session counter 3. So if the session counter is reached at now this is reached at 3, so that will check the condition, and after that will return. So this time session counter is 3, so 3 equal to 3. Now this time that will return 1. If I run the task, run the workflow, so check that. So first session gets succeed, assignment task succeeded, and now last session is in running state. So it gets succeeded, so it gets session log. So look at the this time, that is the session counter return 1. So there is only 3 user defined workflow variable. So if you wanna add some more workflow variables, so go to workflows, add here, click on edit variable. So first I'm going to check first session end time. So that should be date time or so apply OK, control S. Now go to assignment task, add your expression. So first session end task. Now go to expression, add here. So first session is s underscore m str test, and next is s underscore sp test. So I'm going to check end time. So double click into the validate. So expression passed successfully. Now OK. Apply. Now save again. So workflow is valid. So start workflow. Now session both session get succeeded. So get session log add first session end time is uh, 8/12/2015 and this one is 18/10/18. So this is 16 and add this is date form is 24 hours. So 18/10 means 16. So check at the workflow. 16/18. So first session is this one 16/18 and next is 16/27. So this one is I'm receiving. Or if you wanna know about previous task status of first session, so go to workflow again at the edit. So first session previous task status. So that should be integer time. Now go to assignment task again. Previous task is there for first session. Apply. Okay. So workflow is invalid. Invalid task workflow first. Let's check that one. So I think this is a mistake. First session previous task session. There is a four workflow variable. First session previous task. Okay, remove this one. Now start workflow. So first session previous task is one not. So that's about first session. Now I'm going to check workflow and start time. So go to workflows, add here, click edit, variable tab, add here, add the tag. So this should be date time and add here, give the meaningful name, workflow and start time. So apply and OK. Hereafter save that one and now go to assignment task. Add here. So user defined variable is workflow start time. Now in expression give the value. So this is all about first session. Now start is our workflow. So start time I'm going to check. So validate, apply. Okay. Now save that one. Start the workflow. So workflow start time is 6:20. Workflow start time 6:20 is the so in integration service that is displayed by using assignment task. So assignment task give at whatever the value is there that will assign to the next session. So now I'm going to check about built-in variable. So first we have to add workflow variable here. Now I'm going to check this date. So that should be date time. In expression we have to add user defined variable. The name is sysdate. Here, so this term built in. So there is a sysdate there. Now validate the yeah, sysdate is there. Okay, apply. Now start the task that will display sysdate. 6:23 time and date is 8/12/2015. So this is first session get succeed. Assignment task is in running state. No. So now get session log. So sysdate. Get the 8/12/2015. Time is 18:26. 24 hour. Time is format actual. This is user defined one. So now I'm going to last edit. So this time I'm going to display So workflow name should be a string tag. Now save that one. Go to assignment task in expression. So add here, give meaningful name, workflow name. So workflow name we can give in built-in function. So there is a workflow name at the $PM workflow name. So double click into the and validate. So look at the this is a string data type, so that in workflow variable I have given a string data type. So apply, okay, and start the workflow. So workflow gets succeeded. So let's check workflow name in integration service. So workflow session gets succeeded. So workflow name is WF underscore first. So let's check in log event, get session log, add here uh, session counter workflow name. So look at this is displaying WF underscore first. So this is our workflow name. Or if you wanna add built-in function, so you can, if you not wanna know about folder name, so you can click at the that one. Or if you wanna integration service name, so that's all a built-in variable. So workflow start time you can check at here also. So workflow run ID you can, by giving double click you can check also at there. So this is all about assignment task. So the assignment task is used to assign value to user defined workflow variable. So it's done at here. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.